2012 TL. The Acura TL is a strong choice for people looking for a mid-size luxury vehicle. Offering a typically spacious Acura interior, this car is loaded with high-tech features and receives top scores in crash tests. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, keyless entry, power sunroof, heated seats, power steering, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, anti-theft security system, cruise control, center armrest, premium sound, CD player, power brakes, trip odometer, power windows, power door locks, memorized settings for 2 drivers, satellite radio, tilt steering wheel, power seat. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.